Okay.
Thank you, though. I'll see you a little later.
See you later.
Oh, that one got a little frisky.
You're quote second placer.
Oh, that was that an Arab? Probably.
376. So this is number 301. 301, 376.
Yeah. Oh shit. Are you kidding me? God, I'm not paying attention. Oh. What?
Walk your horses, please. Settle down and walk your horses. Nicely done. Reverse and walk on, please. Reverse and walk on.
That stinks.
Poor Rainey with his fucking tail sticking out.
I know. I can see that.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, damn.
Back your horses on the rail, please.
Who put that tail in?
I don't know. It's all effed up.
Hopefully it doesn't fall out.
Halt. Walk on, please. Walk on.
It's probably a hyperactive. Well,
It's not gonna mean anything.
it's not gonna, yeah. It's not gonna make it or break it.
Hold your horses.
You better hurry. They're catching up to you. Oh crap. We got a little barrel racer down here. You're in the wrong class, my dear. I feel like Rainey's getting a little frisky with all these guys in here. It's like, oh, I want to go too.
It's like a big lunch.
Yeah. Well, it's, yeah. Oh well. A little bit of highlights poking out. That cute little old Arab with the pink just loping along. Yeah. I know.
Down to a jack trot, please. Down to a jack trot.
I can't even keep my eye on Alyssa because I'm so mesmerized by everyone else's sparklies. That's nice. Get some good ones there.
Oh, what a thrill it is to show at the Minnesota State Fair. Here at this big Coliseum.
Wait, did you mess up?
It's just fun to be
Hurry.
here.
It's not supposed to take blurry pictures.
Yeah. That's why they have a sport option.